Everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will tell you about how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. But firstly, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward our today's video topic. If you want to enable, like whenever you touch on the keyboard, it will make some sound or the vibrations. You can do this setting, by the way, as I'm showing in my this video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the sound and vibration of the keyboards.